Working with Ivana was an absolute game changer for me, not just for my level of style, but also for my self expression. Ivana is extremely thorough. She has an incredible eye. But what I loved about her process is that she really gets a sense of your personality first. And then what she does is brings in the qualities of you at your next level of self expression, but your expanded self expression. So, really going beyond that edge. And then she brings in the outfits that marry aspects of your personality, but at their boldest, most creative, most elevated self expression. They were outfits that I definitely wouldn't have dared to select for myself, but I absolutely loved them, and the shift that occurred within me to really step into them and to own them. My entire brand was elevated as a result of the expression from the outfits and from how I felt in them. I absolutely loved the process. I cannot recommend Ivana highly enough, and I can't wait to work with her again.